Hi, welcome to Google Forms 10 Essential Tips for Creating Your Google Form. In this first video, we're going to start creating our fundraiser survey. There are several ways you can create a Google form. One is you can go to Drive and click on Create New Google Form. You can also go to forms.new and it will just create a new form. And if you want to work with templates, go to forms.google.com or open forms on your task launcher. So I'm going to show you just a couple of ways to get started. So one is you can go to forms.google.com. All right. When you go to the forms.google.com, that'll bring you to view all the forms you have ever created. So just, your forms, but also templates that you can work with. So if you click on the template gallery, you'll find a series of forms to get started. And if you've never accessed your apps from the app launcher, the forms.google.com works the same as going to the app launcher and selecting forms, and it will open up forms.google.com the same way. Okay. The other way that you can create a form is you just go to forms.new and it will create a start a new form for you. Forms.new. All right. And in the next video, we'll officially get started with step 1.